Hi, my name is Layla and I work in product management, and I'm going to show you how to use the blank page skip feature. So this is useful if you're copying or scanning originals and there may be a blank page in there and you're not sure and you don't have time to take it out, and this feature will remove it for you. So we'll take our originals and put them into the document feeder and select copy. In the bottom left corner, select others and select blank page skip. And then we'll select skip blank page and OK. Then select start. Once our originals are scanned, we'll see that the printer is telling us that 9 sheets were scanned and it wants to copy 8 pages, so it detected 1 blank page. So then we'll select execute. Then we'll grab our output, and as you can see, it copied 8 pages with no blank sheets, and that is how you use the blank page skip feature.